Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the latest update from Notebook LM and how you can leverage it to make money in 2025. This isn't just some incremental upgrade. We're talking about game-changing features that open up a whole new world of possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned AI developer or just starting, this video is for you. We'll break down these new features, show you how to use them to build profitable AI models, and give you the tips and tricks to market them effectively. So, if you're ready to turn your AI dreams into a reality, stick around. We're about to unlock some serious earning potential. First up, let's unpack this massive update. Notebook LM has always been a powerful tool, but they really cranked it up to 11 this time. We're talking about a completely redesigned interface, making it even more intuitive to use. Trust me, if you've ever felt intimidated by AI development, this update changes the game. One of the biggest additions is the new drag-and-drop model builder. You can literally drag and drop different AI components, connect them like puzzle pieces, and boom, you're building custom models without writing a single line of code. It's crazy intuitive. And speaking of intuitive, they've also integrated a bunch of pre-built templates for common AI tasks. Need a model for image recognition? They got you. How about natural language processing? Done. It's like having a head start on your AI journey. They've introduced something called Smart Assist, which is essentially an AI-powered co-pilot that helps you write better code, optimize your models, and troubleshoot issues in real time. It's like having an AI expert looking over your shoulder, giving you tips and guidance. For those who like to get their hands dirty with code, don't worry, they haven't forgotten about you. They've added a bunch of new APIs and advanced customization options so you can fine-tune your models to your heart's content. They've made data management a breeze. You can now easily import, clean, and manage massive datasets directly within Notebook LM. No more juggling different tools and platforms. They've also beefed up the collaboration features so you can seamlessly work with your team on complex AI projects, real-time code sharing, version control, you name it. So how do we turn all of this into cold, hard cash? Let's dive into how to build profitable AI models with Notebook LM's new features. Now let's talk about the fun part, making money with these powerful new tools. The possibilities are literally endless, but I'll give you some concrete examples to get your creative juices flowing. One of the hottest areas right now is building custom AI models for businesses. Think about it. Every business out there is looking for ways to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. And that's where you come in. With Notebook LM's new drag-and-drop interface and pre-built templates, you can easily create AI models for things like customer service chatbots, personalized marketing campaigns, fraud detection systems, and so much more. Let's say you want to build a chatbot for an e-commerce company. You can use Notebook LM's natural language processing capabilities to train a chatbot that can answer customer questions, provide product recommendations, and even process orders. Or how about creating an AI-powered marketing campaign that targets customers with personalized product recommendations based on their browsing history and purchase behavior? The possibilities are endless. Another lucrative avenue is building AI models for specific industries. Healthcare, finance, education, you name it. Every industry can benefit from AI. Imagine building an AI model that helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, or a model that predicts stock market trends with incredible precision. These are the kinds of models that can command top dollar. The key to success is to identify a problem that people or businesses are willing to pay to solve, and then build an AI model that solves it better than anything else out there. Once you have a solid model, it's time to package it up and sell it to the world. The bottom line is, if you're willing to put in the work and learn the ropes, there's never been a better time to make money with AI. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but is anyone actually making money with Notebook LM? The answer is a resounding yes. We've seen people from all walks of life, students, entrepreneurs, even stay-at-home parents, building successful businesses around their AI models. And the best part is, they're using Notebook LM to do it. Take Sarah, for example. She's a freelance graphic designer who was struggling to keep up with the demand for her services. She started using Notebook LM to create an AI-powered logo design tool that could generate hundreds of unique logo concepts in minutes. She launched her tool as a subscription service, and within a few months, she had thousands of paying customers. She was able to quit her day job and focus on her business full-time. Then there's John, a college student who turned his passion for gaming into a profitable side hustle. He used Notebook LM to build an AI-powered game guide that provided players with real-time tips and strategies. He started by giving away his guide for free to build up a following, and then he introduced a premium version with exclusive features. Now he's making enough money to pay his tuition and then some. These are just a couple of examples of the countless success stories we're seeing every day. The key takeaway here is that you don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of money to get started. All you need is a good idea, the willingness to learn, and the right tools at your disposal. Alright, so you've built an amazing AI model. Now what? It's time to put on your marketing hat and get that thing in front of the right people. First things first, clearly define your target audience. Who are you building this model for? What are their pain points? Once you know who you're talking to, you can tailor your messaging accordingly. Next up, build a strong online presence. Create a website or landing page that showcases your AI model, its benefits, and how it can solve real-world problems. Use clear, concise language and visuals that pop. Content is king, even in the AI world. Start a blog or create videos that demonstrate the power of your model. Share case studies, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes insights. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Engage with potential customers on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Reddit. Share valuable content, answer questions, and build relationships. Consider running targeted ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram. This can be a great way to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website or landing page. Networking is key. Attend industry events, conferences, and webinars. Connect with potential customers, investors, and partners. You never know who you might meet. Offer a free trial or demo of your AI model. Provide excellent customer support. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to provide value to your customers. Now let's talk about the future. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and Notebook LM is at the forefront of innovation. So what can we expect down the line? Based on some rumors and leaks, it seems like they're working on even more advanced AI capabilities, like generative AI that can create original content, from text and images to music and even code. Imagine the possibilities. They're also pushing the boundaries of AI accessibility, making it even easier for non-technical users to build and deploy powerful AI models. We're talking about no-code platforms that are so intuitive, anyone can build an AI. Another area of focus is AI ethics and responsibility. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to use it ethically and responsibly. Notebook LM is leading the charge by building tools and resources that promote ethical AI development. And of course, we can expect even tighter integration with other platforms and services. Imagine seamlessly connecting your Notebook LM models to your favorite marketing automation tools, e-commerce platforms, and more. But here's the thing, you don't have to wait for these future updates to start making money with AI. The tools and resources available today are more than enough to build a successful AI-powered business. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. The world of AI is full of endless possibilities, and the only limit is your imagination. Subscribe to channels like this one to stay updated on the latest AI trends and technologies. Join online communities and forums where AI enthusiasts and experts share their knowledge and insights. Experiment with new tools and technologies, and most importantly, never stop learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on making money with AI. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the game-changing features of Notebook LM's new update to practical tips on building and marketing profitable AI models. Remember, the future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your earning potential. See you in the next video.